Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows Edition, admin rights, and network access. Once done, download the Security Compliance Toolkit 1. Zero baseline packages and extract them to a dedicated folder. Make sure UAC is acknowledged. Next, launch Policy Analyzer to import extracted GPO backups and open the Group Policy Management console for live comparison. You do this now because immediate import lets you see deviations quickly, and having the GPMC ready speeds remediation planning. You will now analyze differences and decide actions. Start by running comparisons in Policy Analyzer. Once done, export the report to CSV and sort by high-risk settings versus business impact. Make sure to assign owners and deadlines for each remediation item, then create an incremental deployment plan. For targeted changes, use local GPO, EXE, or LGPO. PS1 to apply a test baseline to a lab machine. You do this to validate effects before wide rollout and to prevent unexpected service interruptions. You finish by deploying the vetted baselines in staged waves, starting with pilot devices. Once deployed, verify results with Policy Analyzer and Event Viewer logs. Make sure settings applied as intended. If a service breaks, revert using your exported backups and documented rollback steps, then refine the plan. One key troubleshooting tip: if expected settings don't apply, check Active Directory replication, group policy permissions, and local policy precedents. These are the usual culprits, and fixing them resolves most persistent mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.